Hello friends, we just came back from school and Levin has learned how to make aeroplanes in his origami session today. So he is going to teach me how to make it. So let's do it together. Are you ready?
Ready.
Yeah. Let's start it then. So we have few papers here, few colored papers. Which one would you choose?
Black.
Okay. You want black? I will go with purple. I like purple. I'll go with purple. Ta-da.
First, make the paper, fold it into half.
Fold this paper into half. Okay. Is this correct?
Yeah. Make it into half and fold it like this, and the other side.
Okay. All right, next.
Fold it another half again,
Okay.
and the other side also. Done.
Show it. Okay. Fold the other half and let me do it then. So this page we are going to fold it another half again.
Yeah.
Okay. And then
we are gonna fold this into exact half.
we are going to fold it into half here.
Yeah.
All right. And then
turn it and fold it again. This and the other side. Yes.
okay. Turn this page and fold it.
Yes.
Okay. And then
we are going to turn back
okay.
and fold this up.
Okay.
That.
All right. Flip this up. Okay, done. Then next.
And then we are going to fold it into half. And finally, the last folding.
Do it, go ahead. The other side as well? Okay. Wow, is it done now?
Yeah. It's
Okay.
done.
Wow, let me make complete mines as well. Can you hold the camera for me? Okay, so I was still here. After this, we're going to fold this way.
Yeah.
Half. And this is okay. From this again, the final half, right?
Yep.
Okay. Yay! Both the planes are here. That's it. Ta-da! Let's see how it works.
Yeah.
Do you want to try?
Yeah. What is wrong?
Boss? Now he is going to try it. Come on, let's try it.
Ow.
One.